Good afternoon, it's Christian Thwaites from Brown Janikowski, Friday, March the 11th. Well, this week marks 7 years since the market low of March 2009, when the S&P touched a rather ominous number intraday anyway of 666. 7 years later, the market closed today on the Friday at 2,022. So the market has gone up nearly 3 times since that low. We've also had a strong week generally, right across the asset classes. And from our lows just 4 weeks ago, the S&P is up around 8%, the small cap index up around about 11%, and emerging markets, which were such a sorry place to invest in for the last number of years, up 9%. So we're encouraged to see some of these riskier assets do well. It's a momentous week in the European Central Bank. Take a look at this chart. This is the ECB announced some very aggressive quantitative easing measures this week, increasing the amount of quantitative easing they're going to do by 10 billion euros, and it's now higher than what the Fed did at its peak. But European stocks, as you can see, still struggle, particularly against the S&P. The blue number tends to be lower than the red number, which is the S&P for about the last year. But we do think that the outlook in Europe is slowly getting better. These are remarkably aggressive and unprecedented policies by the ECB. We continue to watch them, generally through a positive lens. Next week we have the Federal Open Market Committee. We'll be watching that, and we're also keeping our eye on the changing nature of the oil story, which is by no means played out at this point. Have a good weekend. Thank you.